welcome to my online learning sessions exclusively meant for management graduates across India. The first chapter deals with the nature and scope of communication in a highly volatile world. Communication plays a highly important role in bringing clarity and conveying ideas and information to all stakeholders involved. Be it in production, logistics, technology, administration, procurement, in human resources, and in client relations, communication facilitates collaboration and participation, leading to success. Let's look at the definition. Communication is the process of exchanging information through various forms like writing, speaking, gesturing, and broadcasting. It is a process by which information and feelings are shared between individuals through verbal and non-verbal means. Therefore, communication is an interactive and ongoing process. Let's now look at the Mehrabian model. Professor Albert Mehrabian, Professor Emeritus of Psychology, came up with the following statistics. This is on effectiveness in spoken communication. 7% of meaning is in the words that are spoken. 38% of meaning is paralinguistic, which means the manner in which words are being communicated or said. And 55% of the meaning is conveyed through facial expression. Let's take two examples. In legal documents, written contracts, and public notices, we come across a well-written document conveying their meaning with no uncertain terms, but only through written words. For example, the signboards that read "No entry" and "Emergency exit" could be understood without ambiguity. Let's now take the example of a telephonic communication. If one is calling home to ask the address of a friend, the facial expressions could be missing, though the intention is very clear. However, in today's world, a video conference call, you can have the advantage of expressing yourself through gestures, facial expressions, and words. So what's business communication? Communication in a business environment serves the purpose of exchanging information with transparency, clarity, and helps everyone understand the magnitude and criticality of what has been shared. Business activities could be of two types, internal and external. Simply put, communication within the organization is an internal activity, whereas communication to the public, to the government bodies, to external agencies, political, social, and legal bodies would all come under the classification of external activity. Communication to both internal and external parties might often call for a unique style and tone of expression, as the objective varies in both cases. Let's now look at the characteristics of business communication. Communication is definitely a two-way process. Yes, it moves upwards and downwards, primarily. I'm not ignoring the fact that there is horizontal communication as well. Continuous process. Communication is a continuous process and is often repeated to achieve the desired results. It is a short-lived process. Communication is complete as soon as the message is received and understood correctly by the receiver. It needs proper understanding. For want of clarity of words, it should be appropriately coined. Therefore, it would pass on the essence of the communication. The next point is on helping business achieve its goals. Effective business communication results in proper alignment to the organization's short-term as well as long-term goals. And finally, it removes ambiguity. Effective business communication not only builds camaraderie among people, but also ensures clear understanding, leaving no room for communication. Let's continue the rest of this in the next video. Thank you and happy learning.